In the world of finance and cryptocurrency, the Security and Exchange Commission's decision on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, is a seismic event. It's as if the tectonic plates of traditional finance and digital currency are colliding, creating a flurry of aftershocks that will reshape the landscape of investment. Now, you might be asking, what is a Bitcoin ETF? Simply put, a Bitcoin ETF is an investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin and trades on traditional exchange platforms. This allows investors to buy into Bitcoin without having to go through the process of buying and storing the cryptocurrency themselves. But why does the SEC's decision matter? Well, the SEC's approval of a Bitcoin ETF opens the floodgates for institutional investors. These big players have been watching from the sidelines, eager to get into the game but wary of the regulatory uncertainties. With the green light from the SEC, we could expect an influx of new money into Bitcoin, potentially driving up its price. So, what's the latest on this? Grayscale, the world's largest digital asset manager, has been making waves in its push for a Bitcoin ETF. The company had 3 of its digital asset trusts become SEC reporting companies in 2021, a strategic move that positions them closer to achieving their ETF ambitions. However, the road has been far from smooth. Grayscale's proposal for a spot Bitcoin ETF was rejected by the SEC, citing concerns about market manipulation and inconsistent treatment of Bitcoin investment vehicles. This has sparked a David versus Goliath battle, with Grayscale challenging the SEC's decision in court. But there's even more to the story. Grayscale isn't the only player in the game. Other financial giants, like BlackRock, are also showing interest in Bitcoin ETFs. This growing pressure from the traditional finance sector could sway the SEC's stance. What could this mean for the future? If a Bitcoin ETF gets the go-ahead, it could potentially revolutionize the crypto market. It would bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency, making Bitcoin more accessible to everyday investors. On the flip side, the influx of institutional money could also lead to increased market volatility. So, keep your eyes peeled on the unfolding drama between the SEC and the crypto world. The outcome of this battle could shape the future of Bitcoin and the wider world of cryptocurrency. It's a high-stakes game of financial chess, with each move having far-reaching implications. Will the king of crypto checkmate the regulatory giant, or will it be a stalemate? Only time will tell.